Hello traders. So here we are going to discuss about Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, and at the same time I would like to say what has happened today and what we did today and what we have been posting on the Telegram channel and on Instagram. If you are not a follower of the Instagram or Telegram, then please go ahead and just hit the join button. There is you don't be charged anything for that. So this was only the two setup that I shared in the fresh, brand new and fresh. The Telegram channel, and here I shared the setup of the Bank Nifty. As you can see here, it was around 12 noon, and I was talking about that how the the support and these two supports the market remained here. Though I was of the opinion that I think we are going to have a positive market, but as you know that there is a line I always talk about between your line profit line and the loss line, and there is a thin line that is I always talk about stop loss. But some days this stop loss becomes the setup. मतलब अगर ये प्रॉफिट और बीच में अगर मेरे को कोई एक मिलने वाला है तो some days your stop loss will save you and some days your setup will save you. So मेरा जो opinion था in the market, I have been talking about that of a positive market for today, वो in the first candle only I got to know that I was badly wrong about the market. ओके, इट्स ओके, फाइन, दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन मैच नहीं हुआ, लेकिन दैट डजंट मीन दैट यू आर ए you are trading, right? So it is a game of probability. So when probability comes into play, you have to back up yourself with something solid, right? So here the setup was very accurate about the things. So as you can see here, it was a very kind of setup which all would be uh, would be very profitable, because see here, the on the support only market opened and it just went down to the next support, which I was talking about, that persons will be here to buy because they won't let this support to break, because if they let this support to break, then that means they are going to lose money more than us, right? So they won't like after, if they distribute the things here, then the things are different. But I think this support was well maintained by Bank Nifty throughout the day, and from here शायद market ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ा जाने लगा था, लेकिन it was quite in the support, in this to support the market remained. So उतना कुछ volatility भी नहीं था, और as you can see risk to reward ratio तो आता ही नहीं है. This was the only probability, मतलब प्रॉफिट प्रोबेबिलिटी जोन. सो अगर आपको कुछ ट्रेडिंग लेना था तो इट वाज वेरी एविडेंट कि यहाँ पर शॉर्ट मारो और यहाँ पर बाई करो, right from here buy karo. But morning mein in the first candle only it came down, it was a great opportunity to buy. Even though it went down a little bit, could have taken your stop loss also. But I think आखिर में अगर आप थोड़ा कन्विंस्ड रहते कि दिस सेटअप इज गोइंग टू वर्क और यहाँ पर अगर बाइंग करते, तो आई थिंक after the day there was a move up to this mark and then it came down. So इतने तक तो प्रॉफिट हो जाता है. So it was a very clever move. And यहाँ पर sometimes you need to be like protected by your setup. It's not that you will be your expectations will always be fulfilled. Market does not care about our expectations. Market has to do what it has to do. Talking about Nifty में ये मैंने दिया था in the setup, and again I said that in the previous video that expectations for a positive market is great, and as you know market loves to break our expectations, so it's okay, fine, no issues. अगर Nifty यहाँ पर जब गया था, we could have you could have bought here. It was a double bottom kind of pattern, but as I say you that मेरा सेटअप में कोई डबल बॉटम या फिर कुछ हेड एंड शोल्डर नहीं आता. इट्स वेरी क्लियर सेटअप दैट whenever this support is touched, you get into the trade with a stop loss around this zone, right? Because अगर market नीचे की तरफ आता है, you will be cut off. So this is that thin line which I talk about. So अगर यहाँ पर आप मतलब कि मतलब yeah, there comes risk management, position sizing. Definitely if you could have अगर आप यहाँ पर पूरा पैसा लगा देते, then I don't know what would have happened to you. But यहाँ पर you have to be very like मतलब आपको रिस्क को बहुत ही कंट्रोल करना है, दैट्स इट. सो यहाँ पर आपको बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट्स मिलता अगर आप यहाँ पर बाइंग करते और यू कुड हैव कैरीड दिस पोजीशन, बिकॉज इसके बाद मार्केट यहाँ पर गया था एंड इट वेंट मोर अप, बट लेकिन आखिर में ऐसे ऐसे होके मतलब एंड हो गया. सो आई कुड नॉट टेक द फुल स्नैपशॉट बिकॉज आई वॉज a little bit busy. So I am just showing you. Now let's talk about tomorrow, what the things are getting. So for tomorrow, joke, like, as you know that two days consecutive 2 days my expectations are, it has been broken down very badly. So I think for tomorrow what I am expecting for the market to do is like not, I said in the previous video that don't diddle in the middle, right? Whenever we are in the middle of a zone, you should not diddle here. मतलब you should not just like put some random trades here कि लगता है ऊपर जाएगा तो मैं यहाँ पर ले लूँ. Your stop loss will always be taken care of until or unless you have a proper setup which gives you a good risk to reward ratio. तो अगर आपको यहाँ पर कल ट्रेडिंग करना है on the bank nifty chart, see, I am not keeping any expectations. What I am observing from the bank nifty is that bank nifty is very bearish, right? And I think because of that nifty is not like going up so fast. क्योंकि अगर आप देखोगे in the bank nifty what happened today, if I put down this, like if I show you what happened today actually, okay, so let's see what happened today was very evident. It was very evident that अगर बैंक निफ्टी यहाँ पर गैप डाउन करके खोलता है, मतलब it opened gap down, it's okay fine because we have seen many gap downs where it was okay fine, but यहाँ से जाकर फिर उसने उस हाई को छुआ तक भी नहीं. मतलब it's very evident that if you are, until or unless you don't know anything about trading, it's very bearish. Now I, there was a short of time when जब निफ्टी ऊपर की तरफ जाता है लेकिन बैंक निफ्टी was holding at some levels. Okay, it was trading in the zone, it was trading in a very good zone. This sort of thing happened in the past. I mean, last month I think, or before that last month. I don't remember. I have to see the charts. So before that uh, before this month, I think उसमें क्या होता, Nifty was going up, but Bank Nifty was in a zone kind of thing. Okay, क्योंकि Bank Nifty में बहुत short positions था. Many shorts was created in the bank nifty, and that is the reason why it was not going up. But nifty में everybody like, nifty में क्या था actually. Okay, so I said something उल्टा, let me correct it. So actually क्या हुआ था in the past कि बैंक निफ्टी जो था, right, in बैंक निफ्टी बहुत ही मतलब लॉन्ग पोजीशंस थे, राइट, बहुत लॉन्ग पोजीशंस थे. पीपल वेर थिंकिंग कि निफ्टी अगर ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है तो बैंक निफ्टी भी जाएगा, लेकिन उसको मार्केट मेकर्स ने एक जगह पे खड़ा कर दिया था, राइट. So it was trading in a zone, but Nifty was going up. Though retailers were having short positions in Nifty, क्योंकि उतना ऊपर उनको लग ही नहीं रहा था कि जाएगा और नहीं जाएगा और नहीं जाएगा, ऐसे करके शॉर्ट पोजीशंस थे निफ्टी में. सो दिस वाज द सिनारियो. निफ्टी में शॉर्ट पोजीशंस और बैंक निफ्टी में लॉन्ग पोजीशंस. लेकिन जब रिवर्स हुआ तब ऐसा देखा गया कि निफ्टी वाज ट्रेडिंग इन ए रेंज एंड बैंक निफ्टी वाज गोइंग हाई एंड हाई. मतलब यहाँ पर बैंक निफ्टी ऊपर की तरफ और ऊपर की तरफ जाता है. मतलब it almost created मतलब almost is a very wrong thing. It created a new high, it broke down this zone and it went up, right? So this happened just before this scenario. Now what is happening in nifty is that nifty में एक, like it has maintained a zone kind of, right, it is creating a zone. एंड बैंक निफ्टी में क्या हो रहा है, बैंक निफ्टी इज गोइंग डाउन, राइट. सो अगर बैंक निफ्टी नीचे की तरफ जाने के लिए ये लोग बता रहे हैं, मतलब बैंक निफ्टी एज यू कैन सी हियर इट हैज नॉट टच्ड द हाई आल्सो. सो अगर बैंक निफ्टी नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है देन पीपल आर डूइंग व्हाट, पीपल आर डूइंग शॉर्ट पोजीशंस इन निफ्टी 50, क्योंकि निफ्टी तो ऊपर आ नहीं सकता है. एंड द मार्केट मेकर्स आर डूइंग समथिंग एल्स, दे आर होल्डिंग द निफ्टी because they, if they let it down, then the retailers will again make money. और बैंक निफ्टी में क्या, अगर आप शॉर्ट पोजीशन कैरी करते, अगर आप मतलब शॉर्ट पोजीशन को आज भी रख देते, तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो प्रॉफिट आपका उतना ही रहता जितना सुबह सुबह था, राइट। तो अगर निफ्टी में अगर शॉर्ट पोजीशन रखते आप तो क्या होता, आपका वो शॉर्ट पोजीशन एकदम खत्म हो जाता, मतलब जितना भी प्रॉफिट था वो भी लेके जाता और टाइम डीके भी होता। सो so what my approach to the market, this these are the things that we have like we noticed in the market, and what my approach is that it is very simple कि अगर यहाँ से थोड़ा बहुत like if this is the zone which we should not trade, we will not trade this zone, and ऊपर की तरफ this is the I think a सप्लाई यहाँ पर भी चालू हो सकता है, so you have to be very careful about the thing, एंड अगर नीचे की तरफ देखें तो फिर डिमांड यहाँ पर थोड़ा बहुत जनरेट हो रहा है, तो ये डिमांड रहेगा, राइट। तो अगर और एक दिन यहाँ पर मार्केट यहाँ पर रहता है इन दिस शॉर्ट ऑफ जोन, अगर मार्केट इस शॉर्ट ऑफ जोन में रहता है तो फिर क्या होता है, वी विल गेट अ ह्यूज ग्रेट एंड सुपर एक्सपायरी ऑन द थर्सडे। क्यों ऐसा क्यों लगता है मेरे को, बिकॉज अगर ये रेंज बाउंड रहता है तो उसको तो रेंज तोड़ना पड़ेगा कभी ना कभी, तो मार्केट तो तब क्या होगा ऑन थर्सडे, ऑन आफ्टर 12, आफ्टर 12 एक फॉल आएगा ऑन द डाउनवर्ड साइड, और अगर ये ऊपर की तरफ जाना चाहता है तो इट विल डू इट टुमारो, right? Which I very rarely think, because we were having positions on the call side also, and we saw what happened today. So tomorrow, and for bank nifty it's very bearish, so if you get somewhere some sort of position to sell, right? So I think अगर बैंक निफ्टी कल नीचे की तरफ खुलता है एंड इट गोज अराउंड दिस जोन, बाई फ्रॉम हेयर, राइट। सो बाई फ्रॉम हेयर, बिकॉज इट विल होल्ड दिस लेवल, उतना नीचे नहीं आएगा। और अगर कल मार्केट लाइक बैंक निफ्टी ऊपर की तरफ खुलता है अराउंड दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ जोन, अगर मार्केट ऊपर की तरफ जाता है, देन you just hold here, because there will be a position where you are going to sell the market. So this is the buy position and this is going to be the sell position. Please keep in mind, this level I am talking about, this is the first resistance I am talking about, यहाँ से आप लोग sell करना, और this is the first, ओ अच्छा आई मीन ये एक थोड़ा यहाँ पर ये लाइंस, मतलब ये गलत शायद कलर का हो गया है, दिस आई थिंक इट विल बी, yep, so this is okay. So this is two, and this is the first. So you have to do this to make money. And on Nifty, if I talk about Nifty, then let's see what happens in the Nifty. So Nifty में अगर if you are seeing, see first of all Nifty is going not going to fall. Okay. अगर वो कल गिर जाता है then it's okay, fine. So you have to be very careful about the zone. If you see up movement too from here, then try to hold your like try to sell the market right here from this zone. This is the second hour, I think. Okay, and if it goes down, then below this you sell. This is the first S. And if you want, don't try to buy here because थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ से उछाल मिलेगा. Just keep quiet. But if you have a probability of buying here on the second support, but don't buy on the first support. It's very, don't buy here because it will be very idiotic to buy here because this support is a very weak. So these are the zones and it will be provided to you. That's it for today. So keep in mind what the positions I have said, that short positions are like on Nifty, the persons are creating short positions of Nifty because they are thinking that Bank Nifty is going to go down. So they are thinking that Nifty will also go down, but that is not happening. They are just keeping the Nifty in the range, and Bank Nifty is very bearish. It is going to go down, but like people are having thinking that once if Nifty is bouncing back, then Bank Nifty will also bounce back. So this is it for today. Have a profitable day tomorrow, and please don't forget to join the Telegram channel. And if you like the analysis, then please do hit the like button and please share your opinions with us. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.